In this video, we're going to review the Not Hotel Hiroshima. We'll show you the room and the hotel facilities such as the laundry and the beautiful rooftop terrace. We've arrived in Hiroshima and the Not Hotel was very easy to find. It's located near a tram stop that takes you there directly from the main train station. Hiroshima's Peace Park and Peace Museum are also within walking distance and are a must visit. You'll also find plenty of convenience stores nearby the hotel. Upon entering, you'll notice that the design is very modern and understated. You'll pass by a restaurant that serves some nice Italian food and also offers breakfast options in the morning. As you go through the second glass sliding door, you've reached the hotel and you're directed to take the elevator to the 14th floor to reach the reception. In case you don't want to go there and do the check-in yourself, that's also possible. There are check-in machines with passport readers, so in theory, you don't have to speak to anyone if you don't want to. You'll also find some amenity kits for your room, which seems to be a thing in all Japanese hotels we visited so far, and I love the trust that they have in people to not take too many free toothbrushes with them home. We left the ground floor behind us and took the elevator up to the 14th floor for check-in. The reception area doubles as a bar and the floor is very welcoming, bright, and just generally nice to look at. There's a beautiful view of Hiroshima City, and at night it's a good place for some drinks. During check-in, you'll also receive some coins which you can use for a drink and a small snack when the bar is open, and later in the video we'll show you those coins. We asked for a room on a high floor, but those costed extra, so here we are on the 6th floor. We booked a twin room with city view, and for this we paid €100 per night. As always, we are greeted by the lovely Lawrence. Our room was in a corner on the very end of the hallway, so our setup was a little different. We'll take a little step back and turn around to a nice full-length mirror, and then go into a separate toilet room. And of course, it's a toilet in Japanese style. It has a water fountain on top and comes with all the cool regular wash functions, and funny thing, this one also has a button for privacy music, so no one has to know what you're doing. In the hallway of the room you'll also find an open style closet and some footwear. And oh, who do we have here? It's Lawrence looking out the window, searching for likes and comments for this video and subscribers to our channel. If you can help him out, dear viewers, please do so. Let's enter the actual bathroom, and you'll notice right away it kind of has a low ceiling, so it feels a little cramped. However, there is a bathtub/shower combo, there's also a sink, plenty of space to store your stuff, and again, a really big mirror. Right over there we have a desk. It's really a proper sized desk, so very handy if you need to do some work. There's also some information on the hotel. For example, they do not do daily housekeeping for free. They'll only empty the bins and change the towel if you request that. And if you want more room cleaning, you have to pay an additional charge. Next to that are the coins that we mentioned before. And underneath the desk there's the mini fridge, which again I cannot open properly. Above that, the safe is nicely hidden in a drawer. It was pretty big and could fit a small-sized laptop or tablet. On the side there's some more stuff. Here you'll find the cups and a very modern looking tea kettle. Now onto the rest of the room. You can see it's very bright and that they use some nice soft colors in the room. There's a big TV, an extra seat with table, and of course 2 big twin beds pushed together. The mattresses were on the soft side and the hotel also provided pajamas to sleep in. Unfortunately, there are no bedside tables, just a place to store your phone away in the headboard. As for the view, our view was that of one of the main streets of Hiroshima, and the tram that we used to get to the hotel passes by. But we can safely say that no noise came from the street at all, and there were even some festivities on the weekend, so in that regard it's definitely noise-proof. And here's one more overview of the room. The hotel also has some facilities. You can find a room with laundry and vending machines, where they also have a small microwave oven. The washing machines are coin operated and it costs about 500 yen for a full wash and dry cycle. The hotel doesn't have a gym and you've seen the bar already, so that's about it for the facilities of this hotel. The view from the 14th floor is very nice and you can admire the whole city from there. Hiroshima is definitely worth a visit if you're visiting Japan, and we would recommend staying at this hotel since it's easy to get there and is conveniently located. We hope that you've enjoyed this review, and if you want to see the last hotel of our trip to Japan in Fukuoka and more, then don't forget to subscribe to Yes and Explore. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!